Here the question is, in the figure above, QR is parallel to ST. What is the measure of angle X? Okay. We know the total exterior angle of any triangle is 360 degree. Here the exterior angles are y plus 25 plus 115 is equal 360 degree. Okay, then we can say 2y plus 140, 2y plus 140 equal 360, then 2y equal 220 and y equal 110. Okay, then this angle is 110 plus 25, 110 plus 25, that means 135. So this angle is 180 minus 135. This angle is 180 minus 135, that means 45. And as QR and ST are parallel, so the corresponding angle of this angle is X. So we can say X is also 45. So the answer is B.